Well, I know upon is all you guys. So for today's video, we have dancehall artist Mr. Vegas giving his take on Ishawna's performance for Reggae Sumfest Dancehall Night with the Bounty Killer cardboard. Alright?
Pick up from where we left off. Right? Let's pick up from where we left off. Give it about another 2 minutes or another 30 seconds for the people them to come back in. You see? And this is not a mix-up, you know. This is a fix-up, you know. So who want to call it mix-up can go and call it mix-up. It's just that the sword is coming back at you now. You want to call it mix-up. It'll never mix up all the time. But a mix-up now. Yeah? The sword will come back on the nastiness. And again, time is longer than rope. And time is the master. So be careful what you do in life. Because you don't know when the arrow is going to turn around. You have to be careful when you drink your water, you know, because foot of them is a man who say everything bow, you know. Everything shaky, the man is everything shaky. So you drink a little water, you have to conscious so you drink your water. You can't make your buckle come near your mouth and it's sitting there. You have to stay far and drink it like L.A. Lewis. You see me I say? Yeah, Capri, me proud of Shensi upon Sumfest. Again, just to recap, in case you missed the first video, we're here talking about General Pope. Yeah, we're talking about General Pope who got the biggest disrespect of all time in the history of dancehall music. The biggest disrespect of all time happened to General Pope. General Pope was disrespected at Reggae Sumfest on Dancehall Night by the Queen Ishawna. You see? Of course, y'all want to go do your research and look how we tried to tarnish that little girl's reputation and tarnish her name and try to drag her down when she made her little song about equal rights and justice. Because she said she was getting even with the men who have been singing about getting their dick down in women's throat all these years, and she came forward and said now she wants back the favor. So she said equal rights and justice and bump up on your forehead. As a matter of fact, I was a part of the promotion. Somebody grabbed a picture of me or a video of me eating an ice cream and put the song under the video, and everybody was laughing at me that I am involved in the equal rights and justice campaign. But I have no problem with it because once it's for women's rights, you know, I am all for it. It's all good. You understand? Because a woman bring me here, and if I have to die for them, I will die for them. You understand? So, big up yourself, Ishawna. You understand? I still want my royalties because somebody used my image and likeness to promote your song, and you haven't given me a penny. And I'm seeing you making great moves with the greatest art, one of the biggest artists on the earth, and you haven't linked me to give me a penny. You know, I need a royalty check. You see, I say, Ishawna, I went to talk to my lawyer. Yeah. So that is that. So of course, Ishawna disrespected one of the greatest dancehall artists of all time by taking his image and likeness, his picture on the stage of Reggae Sumfest and put it down on the floor, placed it on the floor and actually sit down on his head, and somebody said she poop. I don't know how true that part is, but somebody said when she was going down, she poop. See? So I do not know if that part is true because I did not hear the poop. I only saw her going down. Okay? But what I'm saying is, right? What I'm saying to you is to prove to you that the general has become the biggest pope of dancehall. And the whole world know that this general has become the biggest pope. And it was just a matter of time for people to show that he is the biggest pope of dancehall and nobody respects him again. Why? Because we saw over 10,000 people stood and watched and clapped and cheered. Some people cheered. Oh, they said 5 people were around the back that was selling the bag juice. Them were booing Ishawna. You understand? But she ran off the stage before the boo could come to the front. So she escaped unhurt. Right? But no bottles and no slippers and no socks and no shoes and no stone and no gravel and no nothing was thrown at her on the stage. The same stage that they ran Lexus off years ago when he tried to defend himself, when the same individual, General Pope, was trying to tarnish his name and bring him down. Right? So look how time heals all things. Bam! Zane. So of course, nobody threw a pin. Nobody threw a bottle. Nobody ran Ishawna off the stage to sit. What? Sitting on the general's head in Jamaica? Jamaica land we love where the general is king? Something is wrong, but the people them actually seen through the general. First and foremost, the people them get aware of the situation. Say, according to the birth certificate, the general is a pedophile. So the people them say that no matter how you try hide it and things that social media can get to know and make people forget and make people this and that, and want to get fooled by the little idiot them on social media and the little hungry belly vloggers them with different effery. The real people them out in the world know the true things. You understand that? And of course the people them say the general sold out his authenticity to the corporations in Jamaica. So he cannot even defend what he said unequivocally thousands of times that he would stand for or stand against, excuse me. So that is where we're at. So my thing is, all the hypocrite them now come forward and want to kill Ishawna for sitting down in the general head when the same general said him shit in a D-Angel head on a stage in the same city, Montego Bay, and nobody had a problem with a big grown man telling you that he shit in a woman's head. In a woman's head. Nobody them. Y'all talk about, oh, the general man, man, he just cock up and shit anyway, man, shit. Yeah. Him just make him, yeah, I saw him stay, man. I just see him that I just get a mentality. A man just cock up and shit anyway, man, shit. Even a girl head. But you have a problem now with Ishawna sit down on a picture with his likeness and image. Yes, the hypocrisy, that's what we were talking about. So if you just joined, we're just recapping, right? So where we at now? We're Brother Footer now. I come and I try go, and they must say me a clown, but Brother Footer, come on, you know better than that. And of course, me say me I am maybe cousin because you come from a cassava piece and me come from a big yard. So me and you not go argue or war over stupidness because me know say you is a good person deep down in your heart and you want good for people, but you're just hypocritical. You understand? So you can call the general name, you go there show tantrum and talk about, yo, some man your backside, some man want visa, what? Call the man name, warlord. General Poop. So this is basically what I play just the one about me. So look in silence. So that is Nicki Minaj's ex-boyfriend. That's twerking. And of course, people see how the general, or people saw the general over his page in his bad suit and his body rider, according to Brother Footer Hype, talking about kaboom. Oh, you must go over there so go talk about kaboom. You're supposed to go over there, go drop a kaboom pan this individual, but no, you go over there about kaboom. Kaboom, this is when you're gone. Kaboom, this, that, kaboom, big up yourself, kaboom, this, that. No, the real people, them will follow you over the years and think you stood for something. Them realize, no, say, yeah, kaboom to have individual where they on the internet at twerk better than Dancehall Queen. What's your name? Me remember. Dancehall Queen. Why Dancehall Queen again? Dancehall Queen for life. I'm sorry, I had to watch it. You know, I had to watch it to make my case, because if I don't show them it, the idiot, they may suffer from cognitive dissonance. They're gonna say, oh, you know such a young the general, you know such a Giegas, every day get the funny general name. Giegas, general name. You can't find no hit song in the funny general name. You know, seek relevance. Oh, the general over the page there with a man they at twerk at about kaboom. But you ain't gonna see that. So that is the reason why those are the things that Jamaican people, them are look now and say, yo, I know the general that. I know the general that he come like somebody poison the general. I don't know a real general. Why you think people don't react? Why you think people stood and watch Ishawna sat on the general's likeness and image? Why you think Sumfest organizers allowed Ishawna to take a picture, an image, a likeness of one of the greatest dancehall artists of all time up on the stage and disrespected him in that way, with him in the fucking venue, with him in the venue? This is not like a show in Europe or Baghdad. This did not happen in Baghdad or Kyrgyzstan, if I place name so. This did not happen in Sodom and Gomorrah. Oh, maybe Jamaica turned Sodom and Gomorrah. Excuse me, I did not know it reached yet, but maybe Sodom and Gomorrah. Well, this happened in Jamaica, where the general is king, was king. And the people stood and watched, and some rejoiced. You know why? Because people, real people out in the world, when no say enough fuckery, the general do. We realize where the general did I kill people and I try style people and I try bring down people for, he's doing the same thing now, or he's befriending the people and where I behave in a feminine way. I defend the people and where I act like twerkers. I defend the people and where I put on body rider. I defend the people and where I put on bad suit. And brother foot afraid to call him name because I'm afraid of the backlash. But my back already lash up. Them already beat me to sickness. One more beating, they can't beat me. Me a whole slave. Me a whole bad slave. What am I going to do? Them go can kill the flesh. But me have to talk the truth. Well, I drink some water there. If a man you drink water out of buckle them days, I know because food is a man who burn everything, you know, you can't make him see I drink water out of buckle. So of course, General Poop get tied up in corporation in the corporation in the private corporations in Jamaica, and that is the only place him can get him like a bread. But check this: before I leave on alone for enjoy on a Sunday dinner on a rice and peas, and think about how Ishawna get equal rights and justice. Finally, women have women, you won, ladies, you won. Ishawna save the day. Save them things and then can come boy come tell all I wanna say when must go deep throat all kind of same thing and them now go get it back. They will Ishawna is the hero of this generation in the bedroom or in the whatever wherever we go do it. But look, I'm showing us the general turn, General Pope. One of things say again, let me recap this. One of things say one time them could have disrespect the general so and him go perform the next night. One talk about Ishawna, you know, one of talk about how the general gone to the dogs, you know. Talk about how the general are dead for hungry, so he have to go perform the next night to collect the little check. First and foremost, Sumfest disrespected the general likeness and image. That gone down in our history, they can't take that back. And you are going out the media outlet them. You think the first thing they put up in the morning? And that them put up. All of them are hypocrite, you know. The whole of the media outlets them, you know. The whole of them are hypocrite, you know. Because them glad when it happening, you know. Because them know say one big bad bully in the business so much years, you know. But them afraid of him, you know. So when them say a sister now, the sister with the sword, the sister is a sister come forward, come do it. So, hey, listen me, man. Listen me, man. A nanny that, she a nanny. A nanny for equal rights and justice that. That a nanny. Oh, I'm going to mix up nanny in here with Ishawna. The fuck out of here. Nanny not even real. Now you want a nanny activist. Nanny not even real. Come. Yeah. So, what may I say? Ishi is the modern day nanny. You see? Ishi is the modern day nanny. Look how them abuse women about here. Huh? Look on the amount of mental abuse and all of them things that wanna. Look, oh, we're not talking about mental abuse. Recently, a sister came forward and said she got raped. And what kaboom General Poop did? He did not stay on the fence and say, you know what, I'm going to stay out of this because I was not there. You know what him do? He come out, come call the woman them all kind of names. Remember that? He never disrespect the woman them then. When he come out, come call the woman them all kind of names. He never disrespect Uno then. Because a sister come forward and said she got raped. And another sister was putting it out there that she got raped as well. Maybe not by the same individual, I'm just saying it was the climate. So him thinks him could have just come in at the middle of that, come disrespect the woman them. I want to never have a problem with that, but I have a problem with equal rights and justice now. Mr. Ishawna, Queen Ishawna, Mr. say you never inject him and carry him on the stage and put it in his face for real. And pop. For sure them how them are the biggest hypocrite them boy. Yeah. Remember me tell her that. Sister, you're brave. You're brave. Remember that. But you know what's sad? Is to say, somebody will tear down people boy. Yeah. Somebody will try to rub out people boy. Yeah. Somebody will try to cancel people boy. Yeah. And had followers to this day. Yeah. Supporting him. Get a taste of him own blood clot medicine. And the fuck of them a ball. Go and ball. That's staying forever. Forever, ever and ever. That will be on the internet. General Pope is no longer with us. That the career that dead, him can't resurrect from that. That are the biggest disrespect in the history of music. Well done, Queen. You're brave. Me no know how you never afraid my them back there, but maybe you way ahead of me. Cause me never know say so Jamaican people them woke. Jamaican people, me never know so woke. Me think say them idiot away on the internet about it themselves. Me think they were all the Jamaican people in the world. Me never know say so woke. If you know say once a man dish it out, he must be able to take it. More to come. More to come. Because you have a thing named time. Well longer than rope. So sickness are gonna come. For all of us. But just that some people are gonna get so fucking sick. Where them are gonna come boy you come beg bread. Because them spending time I take bread off a mama table. For enough youth. Understand that? Is the start of the judgment. You see the lightning? The start of the judgment. Never you try bring down a ghetto youth. Or a youth will suffer boy. Or a youth will look bread for go feed him family. That goes on me, you, everybody. Because time longer than rope. You see that, General Pope? So keep going over Safari page, go about kaboom. I don't know say Safari did in a video a go on like he's the dancehall queen for life. Wanna explode like dynamite. And I'm moving out as I did whatever she does things. Go on like you never know say me that I do that. So you can go over there go watch him in a bad suit. And go on like say you're straight. We don't know say from your sell out, you done lean up already. Because when the thing says straight, how does we get up and come for internet come burn fish? Straight, how when you stay righteous. Straight, how when you stand for something. Straight, how when you be true to your cause. Straight, how when you not bow for money. I want to say straight. And so far we don't see it manifest. Because you went on Sumfest stage after you get the biggest diss. If you did one we think say you even have any bit of morals, boy, yeah? Self-respect, you would have never performed last night. And you know it too. People do less than that and you walk out of them venue and make people mash up the place. Remember Jade Lee, back in the days down the country? When she beg and bawl, for you just go up on the stage, go tell the people them say, you're there. And you make the people them mash up the whole of the show just because your keyboard never work. When you could have just go sing on the sound. You remember that? And you gone on the stage last night. After you couldn't go sing on a sound system for Jade Lee. Jade Lee will love you like how Jesus love the little children. Time longer than claw rope. You remember? So this proof to me say hungry I kill your blood clot. Cause you get the biggest diss and go and perform last night. You think say Ishawna could have diss me and me go up on that stage after? Me even go up there, I go up there go cuss scatter. Me I say listen scatter. Listen scatter. Listen dirty Joe Bogdanovich. When me done with them last night, them have to take me off a stage. Remember me tell you that. But of course, them buy you. You can't answer this video if you want to. Right now the people them say, oh, him not answer him. Them no know say sign, them sign him out. Them even know that. Them even know say sign away your mouth. That's why you have a Safari page about kaboom. Because you try to make the people them think say you're natural and you're neutral. And you're balanced. And you're acceptable. And you're accepting, excuse me, of everything now that the world has to offer. So you over there with man at work about kaboom. Kaboom your bumbo clot. So in case you never know who brother foot at other man the brother foot at about kaboom. Kaboom your bumbo clot. Kaboom what? Kaboom reserve for fire. Kaboom a fire and touch and kind of sit about kaboom. We have a kaboom on the Safari page. Kaboom your kaboom. And this is a kaboom. And this is a kaboom. You know, see, that's why they can't this year Jamaica people don't say that. This year kaboom. This is kaboom that. This year kaboom. Kaboom that. Kaboom that. Kaboom that. But kaboom. But kaboom. Ishawna, cap poop in your face. Ishawna, drop a cap poop in your face. And yes, people don't know some of this, I'm not going to talk about the general again. But of course, moments like these, who could have missed it? Who could have missed this? If God can give me this a victory, I'm not talk. Then me no love God. God could have given me this a victory, I'm not talk. This a couple like this side a couple like somebody catch Satan and lock him up and nobody not talk about him. You hear that? This a couple like Satan get defeated and the Christian them decide so them not go rejoice. When I hear that, me rejoicing. You hear that? You can imagine somebody lock up Satan and let's say the American government catch Satan and lock him up. And the Christian them not go rejoice? You must say, idiot. Kaboom, kaboom, this. Kaboom, that you over Safari page, a kaboom, a man with a TikTok and a go down like Dancehall Queen for life, explode like dynamite, your blood clot. Them buy you and compromise you. Right now, I'm not surprised if they might turn you around too. Remember that. You are not the general anymore. You have lost your post and your status in the military. You see? Big up on yourself. Haters, you can always take it out of your field day. But the truth needs no fucking defense. And you in your heart and soul know say the truth. But you ever go and know, you go do and say what you want to say, forget the tick them and the likes them. But guess what? Ishawna done already poop upon him likeness and image. Yeah. Boom. Kaboom! Big up. Oh, sorry. Palmer Wayne, it's over a decade he diss you. So it's your time, fam. No. It's not over a decade. It's over 20 years. It's 2 decades. The other side is 2 decades. But time longer than rope, Palmer. You see? But it's just so the world go. When you fuck around people and try to take our food off of mama table. I remember say my kids them big now. So my kids them have to see me burn back the fire upon them. Because my kids them have to understand. Say, yeah man, that's only a nasty man when you say Ishawna sit down on him face pan stage. I can explain this to my kids them now. I say, oh, yeah, kids don't worry about what they're saying about daddy on the internet, man. Just laugh. Is that man that the girl pooping in his head. See? Look at it. Look at the girl pooping in his look at the girl pooping. That her name is Ishawna. This is history. History lesson. Because I heard that he bite up the pum pum too. Yeah, because is it one of the reasons why my footer don't really agree according to reports. Because he went and got a bite off the pum pum according to reports. So that is the reason why she can style him like that. And why you think she never put foot? Oh, you motherfuckers talking about she should have used footer picture. Get the fuck out of here. She already knows the footer is not about cat. So she can't go put that up there because she have history. Because she knows say manyama. So when I can hear that and I can nonsense. Foot hype is a man that don't tell us anything of the bowing things and you have to about why she never bow up foot hype. What do you mean why she never bow up foot hype? The man not done tell us him not do that. The man not done tell us that's why I scatter fuck it. The man not done tell us yo, she want me eat the pum pum and me never eat it so she get scatter the pum pum. The man not done tell you and tell you the truth. And just mad out and just go see 2 alien and just call it a day. Eh? When I'm going to never see that, brethren. Because I want to come over that something and I'm going to upset my spirit, brethren. The man not done telling them about say a footer hype. But all the whole I want when you see she go for the something when I hope say a footer hype did and died. How she go put a footer hype and she knows a footer hype is not about cat? Eh? How she go do that? She have to do it to a bow cat. Well, maybe me is a bow rat, but you can't really say me because you understand. You can't call me in the conversation because me never try drag down nobody for bowings. Me go say, heads high, kill me dino. Yes, I say, it's like an upliftment tune still. So if a lady didn't want to go eat her little thing or bow her little thing or whatever she want to do, you know, fear business, me just make a song. You see, but me never wrong with her and I say, yo, girl, you fit dead gunshot, you fit get in your head for bow. Hey, girl, yo, rub them out, yo, listen me. Yo, that boy there, hey, when you halka fish, about him. So stop talking about footer hype should be the one behind the picture. That you did a hope for. When you did a pray say a footer hype she ever use. But you know what? She no eat her rice when it hot. And scatter the backstage and skin him teeth. Because him know say you want the little money. Him know say you want the little funds. And you dare not go out there, go burn no fire. Because them a try get back your visa. You see? Hope you get it back still. Because it'll be a great show with you coming back to America. Because they miss you. In all honesty, musically speaking, we can't take that from you. You're a great artist. But as a person, you're just a fucking poop. You see? And one day, the only way you can get cured, how them a judgment that can come out for you, you have to go call all of them sisters and all them people who you try to fuck around over the years and say, you know what, I'm fuck up. But you're too blood clot pompous to do that. You feel too important to do that. Them are gonna beat the fuck out of you. Me tell you that. You just a come. You see you look a tough girl gone. You see you look a toughish gone. You see? And nobody not talk and you're free and you see you look a toughish a cut. Eh? You think we don't know where you're going? You're toughish a cut. Because you can't really hold the fort no more. You see? And remember how you get toughish, you know. Remember say this one our brother to get toughish and puff him chest, you know. Our nice, good brother. You puff him chest. Yeah, your friend them. And take away him toughish. And have up toughish over the years and I go and like say, you know, like when them tough. And come out here about kaboom and the safari page. Like we don't know, say you like safari picture them and video them over there. And the nastiness them want to defend you. What kind of general the safari page about kaboom? Kaboom your bumbo clot. Pan safari page. Eh? Boy, a Bexit foot type. We are burn real fire, boy. I'm going to think that you him uneducated for enough things. In no sense, more time and in no learn. You see? Big up with yourself. I know I had to. In Jesus' name, I had to. Sorry to all the people who made the promise. I'm not going to talk about the general again. But I had to. Excuse me. I go try. I go seek therapy. I had to. Yeah, in living in my head. I promise you, in living in my head. I had to. Because I did enjoy when Ishawna do it. I swear to you. We don't know me not tell lie. Listen me no man. Me say me a walk yesterday like me a billionaire to back. I say, Lord God, Ishawna, bring the general tongue to ground. No. I lie when I tell. I lie. Nobody never in heaven you a rehearsal. Me say, she said, no, I real something, man, a rehearsal. I real something. People in the venue. Real Jamaican people, not in a Baghdad. Jamaican people and watch her. Put it down on the ground. I say, you think I go get away? You think I did I go get away? I sit down your head. Yeah. That's the end of the general people. Big up on yourself again. Me go say it again. Me read 2 more comments and nobody say nothing to catch me attention. Alright, so Belvedere say, killer hurt you, me G. Killer dead tomorrow. Police are go invest you. You're praying for my downfall so bad that the whole world see that now. People are going to investigate me if something happened to him. People are going to investigate. No, the police don't want to hear that. You know things everybody are done. You know things everybody are hear that, boy, yeah? Eh? So police are going to investigate me if something happened to him. So nobody never had a plan to investigate him if something happened to me. So me am a human being. A life, film life more valuable than my own. Let me tell you something, brother. When we're dead, no matter how much money or fame or whatever we have, we are going to the same dirt there. And the parasite and the worms, them, all of them sitting there, them are going to nyam we. The only thing you can preserve on a realm here, get that in your fucking head, are your soul. Here? Are your soul. That are way you can preserve on this realm. Nobody thinks because a man have status, a man have career, a man have hit songs, a man have whatever, money, a man have house, land, that no mean nothing after your blood clot your eye close. After your eye close, you go right down in the dirt there and you see them sitting them in the earth. We feed pan dead people and reproduce and them they are wait pan you. So nobody can come go and like say if something happen to him, them are go pre me. But if something happen to me, nobody not go pre them. Because we no value people over people. And that we no do. We no value people over people. A man is just a cloth man. It's a skin, flesh and bone. Fix up your heart. Fix up your soul. That you have to fix up. talk truth, stay balanced. That if you talk about, call out injustice when you see injustice, call out fuckery when you see fuckery. We're not going to want to support one man for do fuckery, and when our next man call it out, our next man do fuckery too. We're not going to say the man they alone can't do fuckery. Wait, move. Got a year. All of we are go down to the earth there. The whole of we, all of we are go down to the earth there. Is how you live on the realm here. Is how you live on the realm here. Is how you treat people on the realm here. Remember that this is your legacy where you left on the realm here. Understand that. You think nobody more than nobody, boy. Eh? Some people are dead by car accident, some people are dead by bullet, some people are dead by poison, some people are dead by natural cause. It's just when your number call. You're going down in that earth. So while you have the fucking breath, do the right thing. That if you understand. Do the right thing when you have the breath. And if you do fuck, beg forgiveness. When I want some people more than some people on the realm here. Well, we have one thing in common. Skin, flesh, bone are some things in common. You see? Skin, flesh, bone that must go back to the earth. Must. So stay there live hypocritical. Stay there live like a fucking hypocrite. I want to know say man a fuck you when you go and so no one can put them on pedestal boy and think say everybody can join no. The Jamaican people at Sumfest spoke loud. You can't go around that. When you look at page, you have on the internet, you have 102,000 and 1,000 people. I guess you know, and a comment and a like and I say this and I say that and about people. That is not Jamaica at large. That is not the whole world. The whole world see and know fuckery. Understand that. So that Sumfest, we have not Sumfest louder than everything we want to try. I want to support. It just shows us say we want to dog shit. We support fuckery. We don't know say fuckery. We want a poop. So go and go cry with your general poop where Ishawna disrespect him in the worst way in the history of music. Him get the wickedest disrespect from people of these people in the music. And you can't deny that. That I won't have a wall. No matter when you talk about, well, that was unnecessary. If it is the general. This the general. The same dirty general that come to the same shit in a girl head. The same dirty general shit in a woman bed. You know say a dirty man that. Eh? You know say a nasty man that. Which man I go cock up in a club bed or cock up in a girl head and shit. You know say the girl when the girl in a last week against Johnny Depp. The girl in a last week against Johnny Depp. The white people them hate her because she shit in a man bed. And it's a woman that. The white people them hate her. What's she name? What the girl name? What she and Johnny Depp in the court? What she lose the court case? What's she name? Amber something. It came out in the court that she shit in the man bed and the people them say, God, that's so she nasty. White people. Go here. White people were disgusted. Amber Heard shit in the man bed. And a man come boy come shit in a girl bed and boy my dancehall general. Dancehall general get nasty. Dancehall general way. If you shit in a girl bed and shit in a girl head. I say a Rasta boy come. I say a man a share a video with me a Rasta boy come boy disrespect. Disrespect who? Where disrespect there? Eh? Them man they disrespect themselves from morning. Them man they have to sign with them life to corporation in a Jamaica and can't burn. No fire again. Everybody can diss that. That does uno no catch up yet. Understand that. Because that's so frequency work. When you do fuckery come back to you, the world is a cycle, the earth is a cycle, everything is a cycle, our time is a cycle. It must come back to 12 o'clock. Now you can't fool nobody boy. You think you can't fool nobody boy? Eh? You can't shit in a girl bed and come talk about it and boast about it. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. You're an idiot. You're a nasty man. Clark. And I go say, oh, because Chiggy kill a tribe, but not him career and kill a tribe, how long him career? How long his career? Costa Rica me there. I mean, I left here and go to New York City. I left New York City. All the bad man them in Jamaica know say, I pop that. The real bad man them, the real killer them. The real thugs them, whatever you want to call them, the real shatter them know say, I pop that. No bad man, no shatter now come out, come out, say, yeah, shit in her head. Shit in her head. Go away. Say a nasty man that. Old dirty nasty man that. What I'm telling you. Now come boy Ishawna this. Them man they done this themselves from morning. I just time I reveal all things. Time. Got a year. Time I reveal all things. You can't escape that. You can't save him. Y'all can't save him. And him not save him clad self. Because I'm still a dirty nasty man. You know see Tuffy gone. You know see Tuffy have to cut left it. You know see that. You never hear him parry come say him and Tuffy hold down a girl and rape her. You never hear that. Say if you have a woman according to your parry a hold girl and a rape girl, then you know BUTCH that. So you have to about your bumbleclad, this and that, and your general and one bag of thing, and you're sitting where. Yo, don't get me started here, man. I end the live here, man. I get me upset. Somebody get me upset in the hypocrisy, you know. Because I love burning out and calling out, you know. When me soon come across my radar, you know, anger my spirit. Remember that. Now I'm going to forget like when I have amnesia. When I have amnesia, a nasty man shit in a girl bed. Or a nasty man shit in a girl head, a nasty living that. So that's why Ishawna could have sit down in a theme head. A time of the master. T-I-M-E. And she do it for the whole world, see. She does a give a replay of how she sit down in head in a real life. Because that's why him and the brother don't get along according to what everybody in the industry say. And like a mix up still, but you can't take it and take it where you want to take out it. That's why him and the brother don't agree because he go put one on the sister, according to them. So the sister knows that she done bow him up. Behind the scenes, so she just come show the world, say, I saw me did bow him up. When I going to fool. Read between the lines and stop going to idiot. She just come show and say, I saw she did bow him up. I'm too no. You think so no sister go take that big risk and go up on the big stage in a Jamaica go just do that so? Jamaican people them don't know and don't see that already and don't know say I pop that and she just come show the world say I saw me did bow up this. This are bowers. You see me I say? I mean I have nothing against bowcat. But two of them man they go hard and strong and try rub out a Lexus them and them youth there. Campaign pan the youth them career, rub out them and them. So now we are going to fool boy, I like them things that I must reach them back. Judgment have to reach them back. I want my earth is a cycle. Life is a cycle. You rub out a youth and try burn out a youth for years, boy, my bowcat and what? A girl come show the world what she do to you. In my opinion, just in case you know I bring lawsuit. In my opinion. Cut her here. Think she could have just come. Why she never bring up her baby father and do that? Because she knows her baby father is not a cat. She just gonna come show the world, say, the biggest cat this in the music, you know. Yeah, man, yo, the people in the music know the real thing, you know. Them know, yeah, listen me, no, man. The girl them talking in the music, you know, say, when him a lick the pussy, now, from the back him lick it, you know, back him lick the pussy, you know. You know, I talk the real thing about you, and I'm going to idiot, you know. You know, say, street don't talk pan them already, and say, back way them lick the pussy, you know. You know, get me started, yo, come on for the live here, man. I think Ishawna a fool and I know the things, them. I want to know, man. Eh? When I call it mix up now, I call it all kind of sitting now because we know we're not deaf to the streets. Me not deaf to the streets. Me just love it. But the street don't know say them a pop. Go out of here. Back way them licky pussy. And them own a friend them come style them way in the road, you know. In a artist circle, you know. In a studio yard, you know. When girl meet up, I saw girl talk about them, you know, people. When I go, I'm telling you, think Ishawna a fool. I thought Ishawna don't know already. So them a lick a pussy from the back. Man and a tongue, man. A man and a tongue, man. As you think so that just happen, so? You think that just happen, so? Scatter and the whole of them know say a freak that a road. That's why them allow Ishawna to carry up the picture up on the stage. Them know say a freak that. A time I reveal all things. more girls won't come talk. Remember say back in the days a girl it put out one something, you know, when we just a voice note, you know, a girl put out a voice note attack, oh, me eat the pussy from the back to, you know. Go on, could never hear to. Go on. Later.